Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dru Does Tech. I'm Drew, and I'm here today with another update. Since we last spoke, some things have happened. Mainly, as I'm sure you have noticed, there's a bench here. Last time we spoke, there was no bench. It was one of the things that was coming. But it's here now. It's in place. It's sturdy. It's set. It's not going anywhere. I used it earlier to film some content with some Steam Deck upgrades. I did a couple storage upgrades. I'll link that video in the description or put a thumbnail here if you want to check that out. So it does work. I was using this small anti-static mat for the job since the large anti-static mat is not installed yet. I do intend to stain this and put a lacquer finish on it, so that's why it's not fully set up yet. But once I get the stain done, I can start setting everything up here. I was originally planning to put the iMac down here, but I think I'm going to put it over here now because the bench is just an inch shy of the total length of the wall. So there's an inch channel over on this side, and I can use that to drape cords from the computer down to the floor to the power. And something else I was planning to do is as far back to the bench as I can get before it actually hits sill, where there's actually open space below it. I was going to drill in some holes to drop cables through for power. Because there is other tools I'm going to have up here that are going to rely on power, like a heat gun, DC variable power supply, heat mat for working on tablets and phones, uh, and other things. And they're all going to need power. I could droop the power over the front, but I don't want to do that. I could maybe use a bunch of extension cords if I got some like heavy duty extension cords like you might use with a lawnmower or a snowblower, but I don't want to do that either. I don't want a bunch of extension cords everywhere. So what I would rather do is just drill holes, drop cables. That way I have access to power without anything being in the way. It stays looking clean. So that's probably what I'm going to do with that. I've got the stain and the lacquer and some wood filler for some of the connectivity issues to address that, because this bench was built on sawhorses to then be brought and installed here. It was not built in place. So there are some gaps that just need to be addressed. So I've got stainable wood filler for that. And then I've got the wood stain and the lacquer. So this will all be treated. And then once it's treated, the iMac and all the equipment will be in place. I still don't have the rest of the ring lights set up yet. So the lighting isn't to its fullest potential yet. I also am looking to get some kind of a GoPro system where I can rig for top-down shots for when I'm doing teardowns so you can see what I'm doing. Today I had to utilize the ring light and phone to get a top-down because I don't have anything else to do right now, and it worked, but you can see the legs from the ring light tripod in the shot. I don't want that to be the standard. I would like to have something nicer set up for that. So that's coming in the future. I previously mentioned things like certifications and waiting on the LLC paperwork and all of that stuff. Um, the state did approve my LLC. My official formation was June 23rd, I think, something like that. So the LLC is in place, bank accounts, all that garbage is done. I am A plus certified. I did complete my A plus certification over July 4 weekend, so I am now CompTIA A plus certified. I'm still working toward Network Plus and Security Plus, but once I complete those, I'll have the trifecta, and I'll have a much more robust pedigree to utilize for when I am out pushing for contracts. But again, I'm ready to go pretty much as far as actually servicing people. I'm servicing Southern Maine and perhaps other areas are near Southern Maine, locally, remote, or mobily. You don't come to me, I'm mobile. So I come to your site to do whatever I need to do to help you. So that service area is kind of limited to my own personal ability to travel currently. But I do also take mail-ins. So if you're not in the Southern Maine area or we can't connect, there's a PO box on my website. You can download a work order form, fill it out, mail your device to me, and put all the information on the work order form so I know what I'm doing. Give me good contact information because I do need to contact you for a consultation before I will start any work. But yes, that's all in place. I'm mostly looking to do managed IT services for businesses who need IT support. I also will serve residential customers. I can do, and even some of the residential stuff, if it applies, I can do it in business, like, for example, hardware, software maintenance, upgrades. I can build machines. So for the residentials, if you're into custom PCs, I can do a custom PC. If your machine needs upgrades and you're not comfortable with doing it yourself, I can do those upgrades. I can do cleaning and maintenance. I can do device repairs. I can do the whole gamut. I can help you troubleshoot your home network. I can teach you how to use your tech. Tech education is a big thing that I'm offering with my business. So if you can't figure out how to use a piece of tech and you just need someone to show you, I don't do like remote access. I don't do that because that's a rabbit hole. You shouldn't trust people to do that if you don't know who they are. So I come to you so you can see me work, and I will come to your house. I will, or your work location, wherever you are. I will show you what you need to know to do what you're trying to do. If you're a business who needs someone to manage your IT networks or manage your IT solutions, I can do that as well. As I mentioned, I'm certified and I'm working on other certifications, and we can work something out. But I just wanted to give everyone an update and let them know that things are coming along in the personal workspace here as far as where I do device repairs and things here at Dru Does Tech. Um, and I am certainly ready already to start taking service requests as far as being mobile and coming to you and helping you with stuff. I'm already ready to go there. And you can go to my website, drudostech.com. I spell Dru differently. It's DRU doestech.com. There you can see a list, a generalized list of the services I offer. The work order form, as I said, is there. There's a contact form if you want to consult with me about something. You can verify my A plus certification on the website, and the socials that are already set up, there are links to on the site as well. But again, I'm open to orders. So if you need help, give me a call, hit me up on the website, hit me up on socials. And if you're into tech, or if you're interested in tech education, you can contact me, but also you can subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I filmed myself doing a storage upgrade. You can learn about that on Steam Decks. There's plenty of other things I'm going to do that I'll be recording and sharing with the channel. So please subscribe, and maybe you'll learn something, maybe not. But let's be on this journey together. And I thank everyone who is supporting this business and everyone who is supporting this channel. And I want it to grow and I want it to become a big thing, especially the tech education, especially here in Maine. A lot of folks need help with their tech. So let's push it. Let's get it going. And stay tuned, because as more progress is made, I will make more updates. And as I do more work that I can record and upload, I'll do that as well. So I still have to edit the content I shot for the Steam Deck upgrades, but everything will be uploaded soon. And please just stay tuned. And thanks again for your support.